Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU M5S, and today I'll show you how you can boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, we're gonna hold the power key right here, and then I'm gonna select power off. Once the device turns off, hold power key and volume up at the same time. And once you see a logo right here, let go of the power key but keep holding volume down, or up I mean. So there we go. Once you see the screen, you can let go of your volume up, and there's our recovery mode. Now it is literally the most bare bones recovery mode as you can probably have. We have only update system and wipe data. You can select both of them or one of them if you want to, and from there select start. That's basically all we get. Now I'm gonna cancel this just so it reboots the device and goes back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.